we're gonna draw a pretty cat. Let's start. First, we'll take a black marker and draw a circle, then other circle at the top circles, bottom, then we'll draw the ears, then the pretty tail, then the whiskers, then the eyes, and the nose, and the mouth. And then we'll draw the cat's tail's stripes. And then we'll draw the feet. Then we'll draw the cheeks, and these stripes, then we will do the most pretty part, and the eyebrows. Now let's start to paint. Now we will paint red for the cheeks. Then, for the whole body and the face, we will do purple. When we're done with the body, we'll do purple with the tail too. Now, let's do the ears. The ears will be pink. Then, for the feet and the hands, we'll do green. And the stripes. And for the nose, we'll do black. Goodbye everybody. Like and subscribe.